All of you very good morning. Today's session we discuss continuation of functions. Mathematics 1A paper. Next definition is relation. The relation definition is let A comma B are two non-empty sets. Two non-empty sets, then any subset of A cross B, is called a relation from A to B. Already we discussed A cross B, that means Cartesian product. So A cross B means Cartesian product. So we may take two sets. The two sets are non-empty sets, and any subset of A cross B is called a relation from A to B. For example, we may take one example. We clearly observe. Example. Let capital A is equal to 3, 2, 1. Capital B is equal to alpha, beta. So here we observe clearly, here A is equal to 3, 2, 1. B is equal to alpha, beta. Already we know that A cross B is equal to, we write first element in A, 3, and alpha. That means 3 belongs to A and alpha belongs to B. Next, 3, beta. Here first element belongs to A and second one belongs to B, capital B. Next, 2, alpha. Here 2 belongs to capital A, alpha belongs to capital B. Next, 2, beta. Here 2 belongs to A and beta belongs to capital B. And 1, beta. So, 3, alpha, 3, beta, 2, alpha, 2, beta. Alright, 1, alpha. First we write 1, alpha. So here 1 belongs to A and alpha belongs to capital B. Next, 1, beta. Here 1 belongs to capital A and beta belongs to capital B. So here we define a relation. Relation is nothing but a subset of A cross B. So we may take some numbers, that is F is equal to 3, alpha, 3, beta, and 2, alpha. So this is a relation. F is a relation between from A to B. For example, we may take another example. G is equal to the remaining 2, beta, 1, alpha, 1, beta. These two are is subset of A cross B. Clearly we observe all these sets is belongs to A cross B. So 3, alpha is there, 3, alpha is there. 3, beta is there, 3, beta is there. 2, alpha, 2, alpha. So this F is a subset of A cross B. Here also G is subset of A cross B. So relation is a subset of A cross B. So this is the relation. F is a relation from A to B and G is a relation from A to B. Next one, if n of A is equal to m, n of B is equal to n, then the number of relations from A to B is 2 power m into n. 2 power m into n. That means number of elements in A is m and number of elements in B is n. Then number of relations from A to B is 2 power m means number of elements in A. Here n means number of elements in B. For example, we may take one example. Let n of A is equal to 3. N of A is equal to 3 and n of B is equal to 2. Then find number of relations from A to B. Find number of relations from A to B. Already we know that number of relations from A to B is 2 power m. Therefore, solution, number of relations from A to B is equal to 2 power n of A into n of B. That is equal to 2 power n of A is nothing but the value is 3 into n of B is 2. That is equal to 2 power 3 into 2, 6. So 2 power 6 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 6 times. That is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times. So that is equal to 2 2 jar 4. 4 2 jar 8. 8 2 jar 16. 16 2 jar 32. 32 jar 64. That means number of relations from A to B is 64. Number of relations from A to B is 64.